How to use digital well-being tools on Android. First, open your phone settings and scroll down to tap Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. You'll see a dashboard showing how much time you've spent on the apps, how many times you unlock your phone, and how many notifications you've received today. To manage your habits, tap Dashboard and set up timers. For example, limit Instagram to 30 minutes a day. Once the time's up, the app will pause until the next day. Next, try focus mode. This lets you temporarily pause distracting apps like TikTok or YouTube while you work or study. And don't forget bedtime mode. It dims your screen, silence notifications, and help you wind down for a sleep automatically. So that's it. Digital well-being tools give you simple ways to stay focused, rest better, and take back control of everything.